So बार बार उठने के डर से कटर भी ला लिया एंड दिस इज द बॉक्स व्हिच आई रिसीव फ्रॉम राइनॉक्स। आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा। दिस इज द राइनॉक्स बॉक्स व्हिच दे हैव सेंड मी and now let's open up this box and let's see what's inside this. Okay, so this is the Rynox Stealth Evo 3 jacket. This is the rain cover. This is the Stealth Evo 3 jacket. इसको रखते हैं अभी सामने। Okay. And this is the Rynox Stealth Evo 3 pant. This is a riding pant. This is the riding jacket. And what else do I have? I have this rain liner, which is the pant. अभी बक्से को साइड में रखते हैं and then दिखाते हैं आपको jacket. So now let me brief you something very good. Is that this is the thermal liner which you get inside the pant, and you can wear it inside the pant. This is thermal liner. Let me show you the few features which are really good. You get a very massive pocket over here. Okay, you can put the rain cover over here. You have got some back strap. You can pull it out so that the warm air can come out from the back side of this jacket. This is the back portion of the jacket. Apart from that, you have got a strap so that according to that you can pull it according to your fit. And over here also you get a chain. You have got a lot of vents. This time Rynox have kept a lot of vents for the warm air to come out of the body while riding. So this is the one vent, this is the one vent, this is the underarm vent, and this is the back vent. Apart from that, you get a massive pocket over here. You get a air intake vent over here. You have got an air intake vents over here also. Apart from that, when you fix it, when you fix this according to your collar size, you can push it. You see this? You can push it according to your fit. So this thing can be made tighten, and it can be made loosen. So if it is loose, then according to the your body neck shape, you can pull it and you can push it. So this is how you can push it back and then you can put it. So this is a very good thing which I feel. And apart from that, they have given a very good velcro thing. And यहाँ पे अंडर आर्म एक वेंट दोबारा यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे भी दिया हुआ है. So this is how the jacket is, and the armor quality is amazing. Over here you get an armor, over here you get an armor. This is a chest armor. You got a shoulder, armor too over here, and you get an arm, armor over here. This is how the jacket is. And this is the pant. Pant itself is a very good quality. You get a pocket over here. You get a pocket so that you can keep some easy stuffs. You don't get any back pocket, but yes, you do get one pocket over here, and rest you can open up this. इन्होंने यहाँ पे वेंट्स दिए हैं, सेम वेंट्स इन्होंने यहाँ पे भी दिए हैं ताकि यहाँ से जो है एयर इनटेक हो सके, and it keeps you comfortable while riding. You get a 2 pockets over here, and these are the waterproof pockets. अंदर में आप सामान कैश वगैरह आप रख सकते हो. And for mobile, you can keep the mobile phone inside your jacket. That's the waterproof pocket which they have hidden. Waterproof pocket. This is a dry core waterproof pocket. You can keep your mobile and other stuffs over here. Okay, so काफ़ी भारी भरकम है. So पहले इसको काट देते हैं. जो ये सब जो जितने भी है ये स्टिकर वगैरह. Okay. So now वेलक्रो दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. inside you get this thermal liner. I will just keep it over here. This is a thermal liner. Okay, this is the SBS. SBS का chain इन्होंने use किया है ताकि the quality of this thermal liner is very good. It's very comfortable actually, and ये आपका collar यहाँ तक आपको cover करता है. And obviously when you're on winters and okay, so this is quite fit. Fit आ रहा है. Here comes the Evo 3 jacket, which I've got the chest guard. यहाँ पे level 2 का chest guard दिया हुआ है. This is the backside chest guard, which is quite soft and it's very good quality. And यहाँ पे भी है. यहाँ पे इसका pocket है. यहाँ पे भी है और अपना आर्म के साइड में भी है यहाँ पे. सुबह चेन दिया ताकि यहाँ पे गर्मी के टाइम पे आप जब बाइक चलाते हो तो यहाँ से हवा घुस पाए, उसके लिए यहाँ पे वेंट्स दिए गए हैं. ओके ओके, it's quite fit. Well, I'm wearing this large size. I'm a 5.7 feet guy and wearing this to my shoulder. This large size is fitting me very well. And now if I put this zip, okay, and there's another zip. You can open it up this way. And अगर आपको चाहिए कि आप ऊपर से खोलना चाहते हो तो आप ऊपर से भी खोल सकते हो, और देन आप उसको नीचे से भी खोल सकते हो. So you have got 2 zips. बेसिकली ये मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ कि सपोज आप कभी ट्रैवल कर रहे हो एंड आपको ब्रेक लेना है, आपको यूरिन करना है, तो ऑन द गो यू कैन नॉट ओपन अप इन दिस विद एन अगेन यू हैव टू स्वाइप अप द जैकेट. सो बेसिकली यू कैन पुल द चेन फ्रॉम डाउन एंड यू कैन go for a belt or whatsoever you're doing. So this is have made very easy. And यहाँ पे वेलक्रो दिया हुआ है, you can fix it और ताकि यहाँ से हवा ना घुसे. हवा ट्रेसपासिंग के लिए यहाँ पे चेन दिया गया है. गर्मी के टाइम पे आप इसको खोल दो and then you're free to fill the air. Even over here यहाँ पे भी इन्होंने दिया हुआ है. if you open it up तो यहाँ पे भी वेंट्स है, यहाँ से हवा आएगा, यहाँ पे भी हवा आएगा. और बेस एक्सट्रीम समर में अगर आप राजस्थान साइड या फिर एक्सट्रीम समर में आप चला रहे हो तो यू कैन पुल अप दिस एंड यू कैन पुट इट ओवर हियर. Yes, you can fix it, and then over here also you have the same thing. You can fix it. So यहाँ से है, यहाँ पे chest guard है. It's quite hard on us. I have to tell you, it's quite hard. Cause in case कोई आपके सामने कोई vehicle चल रहा है, पत्थर उड़ के आपके सीधे यहाँ पे आता है. So it will protect your chest. In case you fall, it will protect your chest area, the rib cage area. यहाँ पे नहीं है कुछ, यहाँ पे कुछ है पॉकेट में. They have given a very big size pocket. Okay, so okay, I got it. So this is the waist support. ये आप जब लॉन्ग राइड करते हो तो उस समय क्या होता है कि आप काफ़ी लंबा के लिए राइड करते हो, आप पे जो बैक होता है ये पेन करने लगता है. सो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू कैन सिंपली वेयर इट फ्रॉम इनसाइड. आई विल शो यू. यहाँ से पैसेज दिया, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ से पैसेज दिया हुआ है, तो आप इसको इसके अंदर से आप इसको डालोगे एंड देन यू कैन पुल इट आउट फ्रॉम दिस साइड. सो बेसिकली व्हाट विल हैपन in case if it is inside the jacket, then you can put it in this way and then you can pull the strap to make it tighten up so that it will give support to your waist. It will give support to your waist, so when you are riding you won't be having that back pain. So you can wear it apart, मतलब बाहर से आप इसको पहन सकते हो, or else if you want to put it through the jacket, आपको इसको जैकेट के अंदर से घुसाना है यहाँ से, and then you can wear it. We have got 2 waist stores. इसको आप रिलीज करते हो and then this is the one to release this. So this is the waist support for long rides, and it's very handy. You can keep it in the pocket itself in case if you need it. You can keep it. I will keep it aside. Apart from that, it has got one pocket over here, which is a waterproof pocket. There's one more pocket यहाँ पे ड्राई पोर्ट, यहाँ पे मोबाइल रखने के लिए है, बिकॉज ये जो पॉकेट है टोटली वाटर प्रूफ है, सो यहाँ पे आप मोबाइल को रख सकते हो एंड यू कैन क्लोज दिस जिप एंड else you have no more pockets over here. So 2 pockets, big pockets over here. The riding jacket looks like it's very the quality of the derail is very good and यहाँ पे भी kind of velcro दिया हुआ है ताकि when you put it and you can tighten it up as you want. It's a fit and finish jacket, nice, very good quality. Now I will wear the pant and I will show you how the pants are. This is how the pant is and it's a large size pant for me. Here I have got a zip, so basically you can zip it. You've got armor protection over here. यहाँ पे नहीं है. You've got a back protection over here from this side to this and that's it. Just over from here to here, like from here to here you get a protection over here. This is how it looks. The pant is the quality is amazing. This is how the fit and finish look like. So this is the raincoat bag, which is a fluorescent color and looks amazing. And they have made it so compact that this will be your raincoat as well as your carrying bag. Let me show it to you. The moment you pull it out, the bag will convert itself to a raincoat. velcros मैंने दिए हैं. So this is the raincoat. It's a big one so that you can wear outside the jacket. My goodness, the color is so bright, isn't it? This is how it looks. Raincoat, fluorescent color. अब जब हाईवे में चलाओगे तो ये काफ़ी bright, eye catchy होता है. So then people get cautious feel हाँ बाइक आ गई. So this is how the raincoat is. So finally मैंने आपको दिखा दिया कि किस तरीके से जो Stealth Evo 3 जैकेट है और Stealth Evo 3 पैंट है, how good they are. They have got really some good vents, man. I really appreciate Rynox for designing such a practical model for the riders. I'd like to thank Rynox for sending me this Stealth Evo 3 jacket and the Stealth Evo 3 pant, and I really appreciate the kind of design that you have done for the riders. That's it. Thank you so much Rynox for sending me this amazing product, Stealth Evo 3 jacket and the pant too, and thank you so much for making the jacket so practical by keeping in mind that where to put the vent so that the air can intake and the air can move out of the body, so while riding. And really like the quality. The derail quality is good, the SBS chain quality is good, the waterproof jacket quality is good, the warm liner, no matter the body or the pant, is amazing, and it's quite warm actually. And yes, like all this about. So yes guys, please make sure that whenever you go for ride, long rides or short rides, you always wear jacket. You wear good quality jacket so that when you fall, you don't hurt your elbows, you don't hurt your shoulder, you don't hurt your back, your chest and everything, right? So always do wear helmet, always do wear jacket, always do wear pant, knee guards, so that whenever you crash, in case if you crash, then your body parts remain safe. Because we can buy jacket, pants with money, but we can never buy our flesh, our bones, our body organs. We can never buy it, right? So please, it's always wiser to spend money over these places so that you can safeguard yourself, and do not ride at excessive speed and rash. With all that said, thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have liked something, to press the like button. You can comment down your comments in the comment section box, and you can share this video with your friends, with your rider friends, with your buddies, so that they can get to see this amazing product, Stealth Evo 3 jacket and the Stealth Evo 3 pant. That's it. Bye bye, take care, ride safe. मिलते हैं अगले vlog पे. Till then, stay tuned.